I don't think anybody wakes up every day and thinks about what if my house burns, or if a pipe breaks, or if my home is burglarized or vandalized. In the wake of a catastrophic loss for a homeowner, you are typically a little bit shocked because you have just lost everything you've worked for and your day-to-day life. And the important part of that is keeping focus on what's important at the moment and then figuring out your pathway forward.
After a catastrophic loss, the next steps can feel daunting. There's a lot more nuance to certain things that they may feel that they bought coverage for, but in reality they did not. Having a public adjuster like Strategic be hand in glove with you through the entire process, really looking out for your best interests, you're really not going through that process alone.
Certain damages may not look bad initially, but it's really about where that damage pattern stems from. And do you have water behind your walls? Do you have smoke behind your walls? You're going to want somebody to help navigate that with you while also navigating the process with the insurance company so you can move through the process faster. We keep our clients fully engaged throughout the claims process because the claim belongs to them. We want them to be in full control of their claim, but we also want to make sure that their claim is handled from start to finish, succinctly, with precision, so the claim is properly settled. The best way to recover in the shortest time possible is to hire a professional like Strategic Claim Consultants. We are going to know how to interpret your policy, analyze the coverages, and then build the damage model to figure out what it's going to cost for you to recover. We certainly hope you never have to make the call, but in the event you have a catastrophic loss to your home, call Strategic Claim Consultants and we will personally review your policy and your damages and try to give you some direction on if we think our involvement would be beneficial to settle your claim.